No, he's shaking. Are they gonna get you milk?
Yeah, he'll give him milk and something else.
Terrible.
I feel like you can laugh because he did it.
He's not happy. The bucket's over there.
Robert, no. You do it.
You got, oh, there it is. So I was like, you got some ice cream?
I have milk and ice cream here for you.
He wants.
It's hot, isn't it?
All right, got it.
Look at these two laughing. Get back.
Oh, I'm not an idiot. I don't know why you're going over there. Oh, he's sitting down. All right, yeah, let's get him the bucket.
Insanity is
doing the same thing? Oh, there we are.
expecting different results.
Yeah, there's the ice cream. Let's get that bucket over here. Now it's going to look like you cubed up bones. There, let's get that Ruly in there. Hey, how's it feeling? You'll thank me later for this, by the way.
Can you speak?
Oh, he did like the insanity challenge or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's, you don't do it.
Apparently it went well.
There's some ice cream here. You want that? You got the ice cream? All right. Do you want me to dish it for you? All right, here, hold this thing here.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, he's feeling it.
'Cause I had a bad day. Here comes the airplane.
Are you gonna bomb?
Please don't die, because they're going to use this video and record it against
Calling in for a landing.
I really don't want to give you mouth-to-mouth right now.
More milk? Alright, we need more milk, sirs.
Alright.
Here's the cup.
Let me go see if I can get more milk.
Alright. He wants to vomit. So, oh, you want to blow your nose? You want to get him a tissue?
Okay.
Just some, like, favor.
Why don't you go buy him a gallon of milk over the gas station?
Oh, I want it so bad. No, I don't want it. Oh,
He does want it.
I want to vomit.
Where you go, you big dummy?
Here, I'll blow your nose. More ice cream. More ice cream. More it's starting to hit.
So you said you've done it.
Oh! Don't mess with me.
So was it a good idea?
This is like the level on it was higher than anything in nature as far as it looks like.
Yeah. I've never seen anyone do a heat challenge here where they had to wear a rubber glove and
The eyewear.
and a eyewear.
Yeah, because you burn your eyes out.
Milk. We got more milk.
Is that what you wanted?
Oh, did someone do some wings?
They tried. Apparently they went right.
the challenge.
Oh.
I gotta go back to airplane mode here.
Good.
Oh, he
had it like up his nose. How did he have it up his nose? It gets everywhere.
It's on his arms. I'm sure his arms are probably...
When you start shoveling, it just gets everywhere.
That's why you have to wear that eyewear.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go drink more beer.
All right,
I'll pass. Oh, you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, my phone's probably gonna die.